Hey there, beloved viewers. How's your skin been lately? I know it's kind of an awkward question, but it needs to be asked nonetheless. When we're young, we often believe that our skin is invincible. Hey, I'm not old, so I should look perfect. In reality, it doesn't take a whole lot for our skin to look dry and worn out. Luckily, there are ways to fix it. Let's talk about 9 remedies for dry skin. Do you enjoy honey? What's your milk intake like? How do you feel about petroleum jelly? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Petroleum jelly. Using petroleum jelly is among the most efficient ways of improving dry skin. Also known as mineral oil, petroleum jelly is a hydrocarbonated mixture traditionally used as a healing ointment. Those who have used Vaseline have definitely tried it before. While it does work well with rashes, chest colds, and nosebleeds, you'll definitely see the difference when you apply petroleum jelly to rough patches of skin. When placed on the skin, it reduces moisture loss. Athletes often use it for this purpose when competing outdoors. It also works as a lubricant when wearing tight and uncomfortable clothing. But we can find ourselves vulnerable to dry skin under many other circumstances. Take simple aging, for example. As we grow older, dry skin becomes a much greater issue, but it's one petroleum jelly can fight against. A study from 2017 concluded that elderly people who applied petroleum jelly saw their skin barrier improve. Keep in mind, the best time to apply this jelly is when your skin is damp, so use it after soaking your face or having a shower. Number 2. Honey. If you're too lazy to venture out into the store to buy petroleum jelly, another antidote for dry skin is sitting right in your kitchen. Yes, honey works wonders on itchy, dead skin. I know. First my toast, now my body? This is not my idea of a relaxing Sunday morning. Truth be told, honey has some amazing hydrating content, which makes it a perfect candidate for skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. Honey is known as a humescent. Humescents are substances that help preserve the natural moisture level of your skin. With eczema, honey will speed up the healing process of skin cells and reduce inflammation. Spreading honey over your skin's surface will balance out the bacteria. If you're experiencing an acne breakout, it'll go to war against your pimples. Honey also contains plenty of antibacterial properties that can kill over 60 species of bacteria. These properties will also reduce wrinkles, balancing your skin's pH level. Number 3. Aloe Vera. At this point, what health benefits does aloe vera not have? Aloe vera is a plant species known for carrying antioxidant and antibacterial properties. These properties help fight against various infections, in this case, dry skin. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer. If you're suffering from eczema, this plant will help keep the skin hydrated, reduce inflammation, and stop further infections from spreading. If your hands are feeling dry and you have aloe vera gel available to you, don't be shy about rubbing it over the rough areas. If your day at the beach has ended in a disgustingly painful sunburn, don't be afraid to apply aloe vera gel onto this as well. According to a 2008 study, spreading aloe vera gel onto a sunburn can clear it up in less than 48 hours. In regards to psoriasis, aloe vera gel's anti-inflammatory contents can eliminate the plaque buildup. Number 4. Oatmeal baths. This list certainly has its share of unorthodox uses of food. If you've never taken an oatmeal bath, they are an amazing way to soothe the body, especially if your skin's not at its finest. It's actually pretty simple. Seriously, just run a warm bath and sprinkle a single cup of oatmeal under the running faucet. When you're ready, climb inside and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're out, apply a light moisturizer around the dry skin areas. If you do this on the regular, it'll feel much softer and refreshed. Studies have been conducted on these baths and have shown that colloidal oatmeal contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which fight against skin irritation. This is a favorite thing among the elderly. Trust me, say the word oatmeal bath around your grandmother and watch her face light up. While we're on the topic of skin, if you happen to be concerned with contracting skin disease, check out our video on 8 serious diseases that are signaled by our skin. Putting skincare to the side for a moment, If you're experiencing pain in parts of your body and don't want to go down the medication rabbit hole, have a look at our clip for 5 natural pain relief options to replace painkillers. Number 5. Milk. Now, before your mind starts going in wild directions, we aren't talking about a milk bath here. Simply drinking milk is enough to have your skin feeling refreshed, so turn that faucet off. While some modern health professionals warn that milk consumption should be kept to a minimum during adulthood, it has plenty of benefits in the skin department. It contains healthy nutrients and minerals that can aid you in times of dryness. Did you know that a single cup of milk contains 10% of your vitamin A intake? The proper amount of milk consumption can help fight flaky skin. Its vitamin D can also reduce wrinkles and enhance your skin's elasticity. If you're looking to get creative, no, not a milk bath. You can mix milk with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply it as a face mask. This will open your pores. Number 6. Humidifier. Let's move over to technology for a moment. A humidifier can be greatly beneficial to those with dry skin. If you own a humidifier, set it to between 45 and 60%. When set in this range, the humidity level will increase to a proper enough level for your skin to become moisturized. Keep in mind, if you're looking to use a humidifier to treat dry skin, make sure that you consult a dermatologist before adjusting the humidity. The last thing you want is to have a negative impact on your overall health. If done properly, not only can a humidifier act as a remedy for dry skin, but also asthma, congestion, and cold and flu symptoms. Number 7. Avocados. Let's talk about actual food for a moment. Not milk, not honey, something you can actually eat that helps dry skin. If you're a fan of avocado, this shouldn't be a stretch. Avocados are another terrific source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Every 100 grams of avocado carries 2.07 milligrams of vitamin E. Along with plenty of monosaturated fats, regular consumption of this fruit helps moisturize your skin. Avocado's vitamin C content fights wrinkles by protecting the skin from free radicals. It's these nutrients that make avocado a key ingredient in facial masks. The fruit's natural oils nourish the skin, helping it stay soft and hydrated. If you're looking to make a mask, mix some yogurt and honey with half an avocado. After that, apply it to your skin, leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes before removing it with lukewarm water. Number 8. Coconut oil. How often have you used coconut oil? For many people, the idea may sound foreign. Coconut oil is a saturated extract taken directly from the coconut. It has a great deal of benefits for dry skin. Remember when we discussed petroleum jelly? I mean, who could forget? Well, a study from 2014 showed that coconut oil has just about the same kind of benefits petroleum jelly has for your skin. When coconut oil is applied, its antioxidants fight the free radicals in your body and work to reduce inflammation. It's known to push back against the usual disorders like eczema and psoriasis. If you have acne, coconut oil's anti-inflammatory contents will loosen pores and work to get rid of your pimples. When spread over your face, the oil's lauric acid pushes away bacteria, eventually giving your face a much cleaner glow. On top of fighting skin conditions, coconut in the past has been proven to lower cholesterol and assist patients of Alzheimer's. Number 9. Sunflower seed oil. This is another oil that you may not know about. Sunflower seed oil is known to have particular benefits on skin patients' arms. On a hot summer's day, it's great to apply it before going outside. Its vitamin E content traps moisture inside of your skin cells, which helps keep your skin hydrated for a longer period of time. When sunflower oil is applied to wounds, a significant reduction can be seen shortly after. So if you have a cut or a scar, a small amount can make a big difference. Sunflower seed oil is also said to benefit premature infants. Their exposure to the elements at an underdeveloped age can make them vulnerable to skin infections. To counter this threat, medical professionals will rub the oil over their bodies so the antioxidants can fight bacteria. Do you experience dry skin? Would you consider any of these remedies? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.